Laurent. Madam Speaker, yesterday, the Liberal Party may have leaked information to the media with regard to the possible return of the former Attorney General. Madam Speaker, yesterday evening at 8:30 p.m., CBC corrected its article saying that these conditions were discussed even while she was minister. This changes the story entirely. Trudeau's list, well, they got involved in the spin to smear the former Attorney General. Why has the Prime Minister been so difficult on this matter? Madam Speaker, we know that the Conservatives continue to mix things. They don't want to take the time to listen to the testimony. We know that the members who sit on the Justice Committee heard from witnesses. They provided testimony, and now all the facts are public. And the facts are public because the Prime Minister waived solicitor-client privilege and cabinet confidence. Madam Speaker, this is the first time in the history of our country that the Prime Minister has done so. Thank you, Madam Speaker. The honourable member for Louis Saint Laurent. This is not fair because there are people who sit on the Justice Committee who appeared 2 times, whereas the former Attorney General was only able to appear before the committee once. There's a stop in the time period where the waiver applies, and the former Attorney General cannot tell her whole truth. She cannot tell the facts as she experienced them. Why, once again, is the government refusing the Ethics Committee to do its work? So we can finally shed light on this Liberal SNC-Lavalin scandal. The Honourable Government House Leader. Madam Speaker, this is not true. The members who sit on the Justice Committee, amongst themselves, they decided to hear from witnesses on this topic, and they said that, well, they established parameters for the discussion. They wanted to make sure that the witnesses could appear and answer questions. The Prime Minister waived solicitor-client privilege and cabinet confidence to satisfy the parameters established by the members on the committee. Thank you, Madam Speaker. The honourable member for Belleuil-Chambly. Madam Speaker, yesterday the member from Markham Stouffville. Well, despite what they're saying, it's the very independency of our judiciary that's at the heart of this matter. She said, I chose to tell the truth. I chose principles that are so important for the future of our country. It's more important than my political career. Can the Justice Minister reassure us that he won't get involved politically in this decision and he won't overturn the decision of the DPP on behalf of this rich company? What I can tell you here is that the witnesses who appeared before the Justice Committee, the 2 witnesses who did discuss this topic, took many stages to underscore
that the prosecution is unfolding as it should. Madame, the member from Vancouver-Grenville, went to great lengths to underscore that in this case and in all cases, the institutions are doing what they should, and the rule of law remains intact.
The honourable member